student from Kannur. She is now SBI PO, and some time for studies, she is also staying in Maharashtra, Dhule, nearby Pune. So first of all, congratulations from my side to Athira Mohanan from Kerala.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, now how is your feeling after selection in State Bank of India? Because from the last 1 years you are working rigorously and you are selected in LIC HFL, but you talked with me that sir I'm not going, and it's a very daring for you. And now you are selected, authorized in reserve list in IBPS PO, and now she is selected in SBI PO. So first of all, what is your current situation? What is your current happiness?
I'm very happy, sir. Actually, for every banking aspirant, SBI is a dream. And like you mentioned, it was very brave decision to not go for LIC HFL. And I could take that decision because of the confidence and that you showed in me, and that really helped me to know my own potential. So, really
Good.
thankful to you.
Very good. Introduce yourself, Athira.
Yes, sir. My name is Adira Mohanan. I am from Kerala. I have studied and was brought up in Maharashtra, and then I have shifted to Kerala. So I have been preparing for bank exams for the past 1.5 years, and I have been associated with Super 50 for the last 1 year.
Okay. Athira, we will start it from prelims, mains, and interview. Give us some guidance so that upcoming students, either for IBPS exam or RRB exam or some insurance sector exam, because now our current vacancy is NICL, and today they released the calendar of IBPS and RRB also. Today they have
Yes,
released. Okay. So first of all, what is the main mantra? What is the main mantra, or what is the mool mantra for clearing the prelims? What we have discussed, what is the prelims, what is we do in the English, maths, and reasoning.
yes, sir. So when it comes to prelims, it doesn't like we shouldn't look for more number of attempts, but
Mm-hmm.
for accuracy. That is, even if the number of questions we attempt are less, but they should be accurate. So for English and maths, you should for like every student, we can practice more maths and reasoning, and then be accurate. Be sure whenever you are going to solve a question. And when it
Okay.
comes to mains, we have to be selective. That is because for mains, the time is we have more time, so we can select which question we should attempt. Because if we start solving a particular question and then we get stuck in between, so then we will waste our time. Also, there may be some competitor who may solve a different question, which they are or a different a problem or a topic which they are very good at, and so they will score more than you. So we should be very particular about which question are we attempting in mains.
Okay.
And
In yeah, in prelims also, that as you have mentioned, and my so many students, they have very good at English. Some student are very good at maths. So guys, we for clearing the exam, okay, our attempts and our accuracy, okay, and as well as we are not going for a teacher, we are a student, we are solving a paper, okay. And the other thing is this, some student is having a very good marks is maths, some is reasoning and some in English. इसमें एक चीज याद रखना है गाइस कि हमें टीचर बनने की जरूरत नहीं है, हमें पेपर क्लियर करना है. ओके. एंड एसबीआई रिसेंटली चेंज दैट पैटर्न ऑल्सो. एसबीआई ने कुछ पैटर्न भी चेंज किया था इस बार के एग्जाम में. ओके. एंड अथिरा टोल्ड दैट इन मेंस descriptive matters, as well as we have to choose the question either in maths or in reasoning. And now day by day the GA level is कुछ भी पढ़ के जाओ तो एग्जाम में कुछ अलग ही आता है.
yes,
Okay. What is the English approach and how the newspaper will help for GA, for descriptive and English in mains as well as prelims?
yes, sir. So, like you mentioned, they have changed the marks criteria for SBI this time for PO especially. from 40 marks they have reduced it to 20 marks. It was difficult for a person like me who is strong, whose stronger subject is maths, stronger subject is English, and where I am average in other subjects. So, for someone who is struggling with English, newspaper really helps because when it comes to descriptive, we have to describe our words and our opinions. Like by reading articles or editorials, we get to know how that flow of language we can get. And also when we read editorials we can go through all the words, especially what happens is that exams, whatever exams are conducted, the words are picked from that newspaper. So even if we go through the newspaper, if we go through the newspaper every day, we'll get at least, I try to pick up at least words a day. and
Okay.
uh, and then I would revise it. Like if today I learned 10 words, then next day first I'll revise those 10 words, and then next day I would pick next 10 words. So this really helps if we do it consistently in longer time.
Guys, as Athira told, that vocab is very important, and we all know there is no, means vocab are infinity. Lots of vocabs are there, but newspaper helps us in GA as well as English. RC scheming is most important because in the prelims we have the time for RC, but in the mains we don't have so. Sorry, in prelims we don't have the time, and in mains we have lots of time. Okay, but RC scheming is very important to mark the correct answer. It is very important. Okay, and side by side, question choose is very important in maths and reasoning. So what is this approach, your approach for maths and reasoning?
For maths and reasoning, I had first of all analyzed which are the topics at which I am strong, and then like when I used to give the mocks, I had made a list like which are stronger topics and which question am I skipping. So or whichever wrong questions are there which I attempted but I got the answer wrong, then I would make a list and then I would sort it out on the basis of topics. And then if I'm very weak at a certain topic, I would revise it again and then solve from the basic, and then I would attempt that way.
Okay, guys, as we all know that in SBI PO, the two extra things are group discussion and group exercise. Okay, apart from interview, there is GD and G. And earlier, our South Indian student, she scored a very good marks. She is the highest scorer till now. She is Jansi Patnaiku. She scored 48 out of 50. She scored 30 out of 30 in interview, and in GD and G 18. And what Athira scores and from where she is inspired, we will now discuss about the interview. So Athira, how many marks you scored in interview? Then we will discuss regarding interview now.
Yeah, yes, I scored 30 out of 30 in personal interview, and then GD and GE I scored 17 marks. So it was all possible because of you and the support that I got from Super 50, because we had trained really hard for group discussion and group exercise also when it comes to personal interview. You have helped me from the time I had attempted for IBPS PO or for LIC HFL. So that has really helped me and to bring out the confidence in me to answer or to give me that environment to understand the question really and not panic while answering. So it has all been possible because of you.
Actually, guys, nowadays after COVID, I have lots of students due to the God grace and due to the selections and the hard level by the Super 50 Southern India students. Okay, and Athira is also from Kerala. She is my online student, but he gained lot of thing from first interview of IBPS. Okay, then in SBI also, and in SBI interview plus GDG is there. Okay, we have student, and in this batch this year only I have 4 students because I am busy also. and there is very less vacancy. Out of 4, if 3 is selected, means it's a very good conversion. Either it is Suraj, or it is Athira, or it is Avik. Tanya is also scored a very good marks in interview because she has scored little bit less marks in written exam. That's why she is not selected. But I am very happy for Athira. What we have practiced in interview, Athira? Firstly, then we will move towards what the question they have asked. What we have discussed either in banking or in current affairs or in newspaper or in GDNG. So please brief about the classes.
So the classes, they are very specific, like they are very person specific because we discuss general things, also the
Mm-hmm.
personal things like from where that student is coming, or about that about their place, or about their educational background. What all questions we can expect from their educational background. So we had discussed everything about that, and also we had learned about banking and financial awareness, about various different terms, and I had gone through the newspaper. So during the interview, it was easy because we had learned so many things about banking, and especially as I am a student who comes from commerce background, I was asked more about banks and about how a business runs or about loans. So all this we had discussed in our class earlier, so it was very easy for me. All I had to do was just recall it.
Okay, maybe there is a net issue something. Okay, and we have already discussed the recent GD topics, either related to AI, artificial intelligence, or related to digital banking, or related to um, global warming. Okay, and maybe now we have discussed what they have asked in your GD. What is your GD topic and how comfortable you are, and what is the procedure of GD and GE. Then we will talk about the personal interview.
Yes, sir. So, when it comes to GD and GE, we can't prepare like every single topic, or we never know that what topic they will give. The preparation, what we can do is when a topic comes at us, how we think, how fast we think, how particularly we think, and also the confidence to say or say what our views or opinions are. So that during the preparation, that has helped me because we used to prepare how with the same in the same environment with all four people, and so we got that environment in the classroom itself. So when it came to my actual GD, the topic I was given was how should mental health be included in Indian education system. So
Okay.
it was an easier topic, and uh, so it was easy for me to like mark my opinions, views, and also speak in front of the panel.
In GD, there are 10 people.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And if you remember, you have started or other people have started?
No, I was the third person to say.
Okay. What is your strategy over there?
The strategy I wanted to start, but when someone else already started, so I just gave that person the space to speak, and then I wanted to hear what they have to speak, and I also wanted to be a good listener. At the same time, I waited for my opportunity. Also, at that time, I saw that few members couldn't speak, so I just took my opportunity to let them speak. Like I
And at
made
the
it
same
clear that.
and at the same time, guys, Athira is a BCom student and they have asked so many questions from their subject also. Okay, either Athira is BCom, they have asking so many questions from the commerce student, but at the same time they are asking question to the engineering, physics, and chemistry background also. What are their questions if you have remember related to commerce? And I have already posted the question in community section, but what is the interview mood of the panel and what are type of question they have asked from you?
So, so there were five people, and when I entered, like they already had my biodata in their hand. So they had everything that about me. So they started by like asking me like where are you from and how do you know different languages, and from there they started and they asked me about businesses, what is break even point, then what is working capital loan,
10 to 12
and
minute question, 10 to 12 minute overall interview is.
yes sir.
Okay. Panel is happy from you, and there are five panel members, four male and one female.
Two female.
Two female. Your interview is in Hyderabad.
Yes sir.
All student from the southern India itself.
All from southern India.
Okay. Okay. Means your overall, if somebody is not selected today, means is in SBI or another exam, then what is your motivation for them?
I have been at that place and I really know how it is to not be selected. But one thing that I have been doing is that whenever I am not selected, I just ask myself one question, that whether have I given my 100 percentage or not, and what is that I think that I am lacking at, or which is my weaker section, and then I would work on that. So I just want to tell them that one day you will be surely successful, and just keep going.
And guys, surely I have faith on my other students, those who are not selected, and by the grace of God, my support and my selected student support, surely they will selected. And once again, congratulations to Athira and the whole family. And Athira is made for SBI PO. She worked hard. She is not selected for SBI clerical, but she is not made for clerical. She is made for PO. So I am very happy. Day before or maybe 2 days before, I am not happy because some of the student is got selected, but after 2 days, she is selected it with a very good marks in interview and mains. She is selected in SVIPO. So I'm very happy for you because I know that your struggle and a week struggle, Surah struggle. I know the struggle of you guys because I am a teacher, but I have gone through this phase. So मुझे पता है कि बच्चों को कितने रिजल्ट की जरूरत होती है और मतलब मैं एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकता हाउ हैप्पी आई एम.
सर सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट ये होता है कि जब बहुत लो हो या बहुत डिफिकल्ट फेज हो, कोई हम पे भरोसा दिखाए, कोई हमें बोले कि हो सकता है, हो जाएगा, इससे भी अच्छा होगा, और मतलब कोई हमें जो फेथ दिखाता है कि तुमसे हो जाएगा, तो वो बहुत मैटर करता है. सो वन थिंग दैट आई रियली गॉट फ्रॉम यू इज दैट कांस्टेंट सपोर्ट, that things will turn out in a
या
good way.
मुझे भी बहुत खुशी हुई और मैं अपने बच्चों पे बहुत भरोसा करता हूँ और रिजल्ट हो या ना हो मैं कहता हूँ इफ द स्टूडेंट इज गो एंड गो अगेन श्योरली. एक कहावत है हिंदी में, देर है अंधेर नहीं है. मीन्स आफ्टर सम टाइम श्योरली यू विल गेट सेलेक्टेड.
Yes, sir.
सो सून सून वी विल मेट. कब मिलते हैं देखते हैं, बट जल्दी ज्वाइनिंग वगैरह आएगा. वी मैंने तुम लोग को ऑलरेडी ऐड कर रखा है टाइगर एंड टाइग्रेस ग्रुप में. थैंक्स फॉर दिस सेशन. वंस अगेन कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन. एंड जैसे ही कोई मेल वगैरह या कुछ भी आए लेट मी नो. ओके. I will give you the last year selected students number so that you guys will take help from them and go higher and higher in your life.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Athira, for this session. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.